There's nothing metaphysical about this karma. We're here at Road America in Elkhart Lake, Wisconsin. Karma's Jeff Holland is taking us for a drive of electrifying luxury.
This is the 2021 Karma GS6, new for this year. It's a hybrid electric. It's a series hybrid. So what that means is we've got a motor up front, a BMW 1.5 liter 3-cylinder turbocharged motor that provides electricity to the battery pack, and the battery pack runs kind of down the spline of the vehicle that you see here, and the battery actually provides power to the rear drive motors. There's two rear-wheel drive motors that work through an inverter, but it's always running on electricity, so it's technically an electric car. And then the onboard generator kicks in once the battery level is depleted of charge, and keeps you at a constant state of charge as you're driving further distances. But total range is 360 with a full tank of gas and a fully charged battery, and it's 80 miles of pure electric range. So for most people, they don't drive more than 35, 36 miles a day on average, so 80 miles is sufficient for most commutes. But if you do need to go a little bit further, if you're driving from Detroit to Chicago, or like I did, flying into Chicago and driving up here to Elkhart Lake, you know, the battery depletes at about 80 miles, and then after that, the motor kicks in, and once you start running low on gas, you just pull over to a gas station and fill up, and you're off and running again. So you don't have to wait for chargers, you don't have to worry about infrastructure, get range anxiety. It's basically behaves as a conventional car but runs on electricity.
Now, talk about Karma. Where is it? Where is the designers? Where is it built?
Yeah, Karma is based in Irvine, California, which is in Orange County, Southern California, just south of LA. And we've got a manufacturing facility in Moreno Valley, which is about 45 minutes north of us in Riverside County. That's where we build all the Karma GS6s. We also do some contract manufacturing for a small last mile delivery company called Arrow. But for the most part, we've been there since 2017, building the vehicles, producing the vehicles, and our headquarters has our engineering staff along with our design facility, design staff, and that's where they design our concept cars that we've had the last couple of years, and future variants of production vehicles. We've got this GS6, we've got an all-electric version coming out next year, and that we've got an SUV that'll come in 2023. So that's where all that work is done, but it's right here, we're right in Southern California.
Now, how do you buy a Karma?
So we have a dealer network. We have about 26 dealerships here in the United States, 2 in Canada actually. And then we have a company store in Newport Beach, California. So if you live somewhere where we don't have a dealer point or a dealership, you can order it. You can build the car online at karmaautomotive.com, configure it through our configurator, and then we can deliver it from our Newport Beach dealership, our company store out there, and deliver it to you anywhere in the country. So that's how we do it. We also have 6 or 7, I think it's 6 dealerships in Europe right now, and 1 in Iceland, of all places. So we're kind of a global company now.
So the Nordic countries, I'm all right, I can't talk anymore, are embracing electricity, aren't they?
Oh, to a big degree. We're not in Norway, ironically, but we are in places like Spain and France, Germany. So we've got dealer points over there, and as you know, everybody, it seems like every country around the world right now, progressive company are mandating that internal combustion cars go away and that everything become all electric eventually, and by 2035, 2040, there's, depending on where you live, that's happening in the United States too. In California, I know there's mandates to become all electric. So this is we feel like this is a good bridge technology for people that may see that they're going to have to eventually go electric or get an electric car at some point in the next 5-10 years. But because it's a series hybrid, because it still behaves and you can fill it up at a regular gas station, I think people get a little bit more comfortable with driving a quote-unquote electric car. So until they actually have to go fully electric, I think this is a good kind of a stopgap measure for now.